Hello, my name is Sofia. My school is Machitar Sebastati. I love my school. We have many subjects: Armenian, Russian, English, pottery, math, sport, music, dance. I love my teachers. My teachers very kind. I love my teachers, Miss Marie, Miss Angela. We read, we read books
And
and write with pencils. I love my classmate. Bye bye.